Hello and welcome back to Crypto Disco, the home of live trading and technical analysis. And in today's video, we're going to take a look at Matic and where it's likely to head and how can we trade to profit this massive gains. So if you find that interesting for massive gains going up or down, stick around, relax, and let's get into the intro. So hello guys, so as we can see from the daily chart on Matic, we're currently sitting at 83 cents. If we go up around about here and expecting a slight pullback, this should be our area of interest. So if we were to make this trade and we're looking for to enter around about there, if we head back up to its recent heights, we're looking at approximately 54% in trade. Now that's pretty decent move. Now as we do see quite a few areas here that's been bouncing off a couple of times on the way down, so these could be the areas that should be respected. And what I mean by that is, once we do come back for a pullback, if we look to the left, this is the area of support potentially, where we can come down over here, go back up, hopefully break this resistance so that now becomes support, come back down towards the support and head away back over to dollar mark. Now if that was to happen, this line here represents $2 and it represents $1.69. The next one is $2, but that's a little bit further into the future. So let's say had we held this trade here and watch it respect this area here before we bounce our way back up and hopefully out of that zone too, we could be looking at 109% gain in trade. Now if you were to leverage on this trade, so you could be getting anywhere between if it's a 2x leverage of 200%, that's 2 times your money back, or depending on your risk tolerance, you can always increase your leverage so you get that many back, so that many times money back on your trade. I don't know why that came out so late. So anyway, can't speak today, so please excuse me, I'm not going to delete this. So anyway, what is the bearish case scenario? If we do break down below this level over here, as we can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different areas where we could really realistically hit. But once we do break down and we come back up to retest this area, once again it's coming down here and then we come back up into the green area, then our next area should be at approximately 69 cents. If we go further down, we go down like so, come back up for retest and then make our way back down to the next level and the next level. What kind of gains are we looking at if we were to head down? Because remember, as traders, we trade up or down, which way, both ways we make money, of course. So let's say, for example, if we were to make a move from here to there, that's approximately 15% in trade. Again, that's pretty decent actually, if you think about it. And that could happen in a matter of a few days, seeing as this is a daily chart, maybe even two candlesticks. Otherwise, if we dip even further, we're looking at 30+%. And if we go down to the last line of support, that's about 55%. So that's 55 versus again 56, touching 60%. Both ways are very good and highly profitable moves to be had. Let's move down to the 4-hourly charts. Now with the 4-hourly chart, that's my favorite chart for placing an entry, so I can see my area of resistance like so. Please excuse all that lines, that's just an explanation on the way that I look at my charts from the daily perspective. Then I move down usually to a lower time frame to see where I can enter into my trade, and it looks like yes, it's kind of been respecting this area over here, but this is the last line of support. If we do break down, then yeah, we could possibly go further down. However, what we can see from this area here, we're kind of making that a rounding bottom over here. Now if that was to happen, this area would be first profit taking area, and if that was to happen, which is more likely that you will, so we're looking at 37% gains yeah, around about 37% gains in trade. That would happen at least about that 4-hourly time frame. Could be anywhere between maybe 3 to 4 days, providing we get this kind of movement. Like so, if we don't get that and we get a series of staircasing our way up, then it could take us maybe like a week to get to this level. So perhaps I'd enter anywhere here, and if it just wicks in slightly, that could be my entry points. Yeah, so that will be my trade. If you find this useful and informative, please give me a like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more educational videos on how to trade Matic. If you've got any further questions, leave that down in a comment for me as well. I'll be happy to answer anyone's questions, good or bad, of course. And also, do you hold Matic? If you do, leave that in the description as well. What you will find within the description area is how you can also claim free crypto. This is not stealing or anything. I personally hold SWEATCOIN, and I also collect SWEATCOINs by using their walk-in app, which you can find more information on that as well. If you don't have crypto.com wallet or even the app, and you'd like to get one, again, you find all that information down below, where you can claim by using my link. $25 free Netflix, and also free what's wrong with today, also free Spotify. Want to do get yourself a Ruby card, which requires you to top up a little bit more on your CRO, stake that so you can claim your free Netflix as well as your Spotify. But the second you use my link to download the app and start using it, you then get your free £25 or dollars in Crow. You can still use that to stake on your Ruby's card in order for you to be able to benefit from all those goodness. So if you like my channel, once again, my video today, give me a like, and I'll see you into the next one. Peace.